Hello, my name is Zolbrod. Welcome to the Health Insurance Store. The Health Insurance Store is a one-stop shop for all things health insurance. You can get individual health insurance, group health insurance for employer coverage, or our bread and butter, which we focus on most, is Medicare plans. We currently have over 10,000 active clients, and we've helped thousands more over the years. We can't be pressured into selling any particular product. What we do is match up each individual client with the plan and company that fits their needs and budget best. We never give advice based on what's best for our paycheck. We give advice based on what is best for our clients. When we started the companies, it was my goal to provide the absolute best customer service you would ever get in any industry. We're advocates for our clients. We care about our clients. We want to make sure that they're never taken advantage of and they always get every benefit that they have coming to them. I'm Zolbrod with the Health Insurance Store. We look forward to meeting you in the future.